from sports management, look at the kind of opportunities that are open to you. A, you can join any of the sports brands, Nike, Reebok, Puma. Okay, these are the companies that can select you. The second, you can join channels. So ESPN, Star Sports, okay, that's your target audience. The third is you can join the sports retail industry, which is Decathlon, Proline, okay, and sports management companies like that. The fourth is you can join a sports marketing company like a Sports Village. Okay, Jitu Somil, one of our batchmates runs a company called Sports Village, which does sports marketing for top brands in the country. Okay, they're funded by Gaja Capital. They're doing extremely well. And the last is that you can get into the sports event management company. Let's say you join any of these franchisees. So KKR, Rajasthan Royals, right, Mumbai Indians. The problem in joining any of these franchises is that इसमें job permanent नहीं है. KKR has only 4 employees in the country today, but during IPL they will ramp up to 100 employees, and those 100 employees are taken on contract only for a period of about 3 months or so. After IPL, the whole thing just disbands. Then the entire Janta moves to the Pro Kabaddi League. Then they go to the Badminton League. Then again a year later they come back into this. Sports management में ना ये fight है if you join any of the franchises. So you're better off joining maybe a channel, maybe a regular company that gives you consistency of income. That's my answer.